What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the Finesse Guy, JDiggy92, coming back at y'all with another unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. Look, man, today we just got all clothes, basically. Just summertime, try and get ready, try and get my motherfuckers swole on, you know what I'm saying? And put a nigga in a headlock and shit. But it's like, nah, but yeah, so some of this stuff is for my birthday stuff, some of the shit is just for random fits, and then it's a whole lot of shit. So we'll go ahead and dive into it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button. Subscribe for me if you haven't already. And yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into the first pack. Alright, so this first pack is coming from a brand called You Go Natural. It's been a minute since I got a retwist. I don't need a stylist. I got one already, so don't flood my comments acting like, yo, you need a stylist, nigga. I know I got somebody. I got one already. It's just I go a minute in between times getting retwist. So this is just like one of them wraps, like one of them turban looking jumps. I'm not gonna pull it all the way out, but if you are or you do have locks or hair and you're looking for some like headgear or whatever, You Go Natural is exactly how it sounds. YOUGO Natural. Like, so that's what's in there. Like I said, I'm not gonna pull it out because it's for an actual fit, so I don't really want to mess it up, and then I fuck around and mess that shit up and I'll be pissed. Alright, so if y'all hear me keep sniffling, my allergies is fucking me. So you hear me keep sniffing, try to ignore it or whatever. If you got allergies, you know what I'm going through. So y'all pray for me, guys. I'm fucking dying over here. But now, so this next pack is from Urban Outfitters, and I actually seen this on like a Instagram reel or some shit. So I went ahead and bought it because I thought it was going to be dope. And I wouldn't say my style is changing, but I am going to be 30. So it's kind of, I don't really wear loud pieces no more. I wear the subtle flex shits. So that's why I copped this. All it is a polo shirt. It's just all knitted junk. Just like that. Ooh, this shit kind of small. I guess it fit. So I went actually a size down because it is oversized, so I got a large. So hopefully it fits. If not, I'll be taking the L on this one. I have been working out, so that's why I went ahead and went a size down. But if it don't fit, I'm gonna be pissed because it will be my fault and my fault only. So it seems pretty stretchy, but I feel like this shit might be mad hot. So it's like a sweater material. So I don't know. We'll see if this purchase was worth purchasing. So that's what that one is. I guess we can open this. So this pack right here is from GLD Shop, Gold Shop. I used to shop with Gold guys a lot, but actually once I found like GLD, I ain't gonna say GLD shows me more love, but I actually correspond with them a lot more than the Gold Gods. I still fuck with Gold Gods, but it's just I buy with GLD a lot more, and I see a lot more of their ads and stuff, so I end up shopping with them. Plus I just really like their pieces. So this one right here is two things, and I'm pretty sure they just put two things in one bag. Yeah, all I did was got some Jesus pieces. These micro Jesus pieces right here. I'm pretty sure y'all are not gonna be able to see them, but it's part of my birthday fit. Like, I've been trying to get my birthday outfit together, and it's finally like all the way together. So I've finally been able to, but it's just this micro Jesus piece. Hopefully y'all can see that. I know it's like hella small, but it's pretty fire. In person, I really like it. It's small, like it's smaller than I expected, which is good because I'm wearing like 3 Jesus pieces for my birthday fit. I'll show y'all on like not like a reel, but like it's a random post. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see the post, or you'll see the fit rather. So that's a GLD. Cop that one from them. But like I said, that's where I shop most of the time. If I get my followers up and shit, hopefully we can do a collab or something. I would really enjoy that. This next one, not sure where it come from, but I'm like 80% sure what it is because it's just the label got ripped off. Alright. Alright, cool. So this is actually like the last piece of my birthday outfit. So I'm not gonna show you these, but these are from Fabletics. Just a pair of olive green pants. So not gonna show it to you because, like I said, you'll see them in the birthday fit. But olive green, I finally got them because like first they came from where they came from, then they got here, then they went to Atlanta, and they came back. It's a whole lot of shit. So shouts out to Fabletics. I copped those for like $20 or something. So shouts out Fabletics. Next package y'all can clearly see is coming from ASOS. I don't remember what it is because I got like 2 things coming from ASOS. Alright, cool. So it's just a shirt and a tie. So the tie, just for a wedding, y'all don't really need to see that. This shirt though, I got it just because I don't like just buying one thing. So I went ahead and copped it. Plus it was a dope shirt. I liked it anyway. So all it says on the front is lit. All it says is lit on the front. It's like a little lighter graphic on a teal shirt. And it just says lit. I thought that shit was lit. But nah, I just copped it because like this summer I'm wearing shorts, short sleeves, and sandals, bro. That is like my fit if I'm not going on like a date. If I'm going on a date, I'm wearing polo shirts and plaid, nigga. Like that's my move. So next piece is actually some damn shorts, and they coming from Minimal, MNML. And I copped these to go with the fake foam runners that I copped. If you don't know about that video, should have popped up somewhere. Go watch that. Yeah, man, had to cop these just because I got a fit in mind for them. So I just copped the brown Minimal shorts. Jones is fire. They look a little small, but I've been working on my legs like crazy, so I could leg press like 600 something. So I'm pretty straight in the leg department, so I ain't really tripping like if my legs is showing or whatnot. So they just some shorts for a pretty fire fit I had in mind. So alright, so next thing is actually from Dickies, as y'all can see. This is for my homie. He having a birthday party, so I'm probably just gonna wear this fit, and I'll put that fit on Instagram or whatever. Hold up, my battery's like dying, so hold on real quick, y'all. Alright, sorry about that, y'all. Battery's dying shit, but it's just a short sleeve work shirt or whatnot. I got it in the size extra large tall, just because they said like the normal ones fit like short as hell. So I was like, alright, bet. Like I'm pretty damn tall, so I ain't trying to look like I got a little medium on. So I got this. Like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see the fit, because I need to get these pics off, because this fit gonna be, that shit gonna be cold. So this last one, this last package is coming from GOAT. I know y'all haven't heard that name in a long time, but yeah, I actually copped something from GOAT. It's just a little t-shirt or whatever, but I always wanted one of these from this brand, so I went ahead and copped. And it's just an honor the gift shirt. Like I always thought this brand was dope. I thought it was lit, so like I went ahead and copped this one. It's just gray and blue, honor the gift or whatever. I'll probably buy more if I see like sizes I like and stuff, but I think people kind of getting hip to honor the gift, so like these shirts is kind of like moving off the racks right now. So but yeah, man, that's basically the whole unboxing. Thank y'all for those of you that stuck around, watch the whole thing. We appreciate you guys. If you haven't already, subscribe to the gaming channel, Savage God Gaming. On Twitch and YouTube. On Twitch, I be live streaming, and right now we live streaming Elden Ring, and I ain't gonna say I'm kind of good at the shit, but I'm decent to where I ain't really getting my ass whooped. But I only fought 2 niggas, so I haven't tasted defeat yet, bitch. So yeah, nigga ain't ran me off the stream yet, nigga. So, but nah, man, go subscribe to that if y'all want to see me talk more shit. Then just get my ass whooped after talking shit. So go subscribe to that. And then on YouTube, Savage God Gaming, I'll upload like the highlights or like boss fights or whatever. So you'll get the shorter version and the longer version or whatever. But nah, man. I think that's about it. Also, if y'all like art and shit, I know y'all don't be seeing like the art behind me just because I'm not at my unfortunate crib. But yeah, if y'all like art and shit, my art page for That's Got Masterpieces, we just opened up commissions again. So if you need a piece from me, go ahead and fill out that form. Link in the IG bio. Fill out that form for me, and we'll work on getting you a piece done by yours truly. It'll be a 101, and yeah, just know I ain't gonna tax you, but I'm not giving you no hookup, bro. So we just gotta keep it a stack over here. But yeah, man, I think that's every promotion that I could possibly give. But I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching, and like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace. Alright, I gotta try these shirts on because this shit look a little small, you know what I'm saying? Like, hopefully all these muscles fit in it.